I'm going to show you in this tutorial, in this Hostinger tutorial, how to restore WordPress website from backup in Hostinger. So what you're going to have to do here is to click on your website. Just click on manage here. And then from here, we select our website. Now, depends on which one you want to select from here. Maybe you only have only one. And you just click on files here. So click on files, and then here you're going to see backups. So now just click on backups right over here. And now from here you have files, backups, database, generate a new backup. And then here you can actually click on restore your website to the preferred date in one click. So now this is also available only for WordPress websites only. So in my case, I can actually just click on WordPress here and install if I want to. And then here I can add a password. So I'm going to add a password. Okay. And if it doesn't work, this should work. Okay. Test website. Okay. And now you click on next and then you click on install. It's very easy, the process. The pass now was kind of like a little bit of confusing at first when I started using it, but the more you use it, the more you start to discover things that you probably didn't know. If you didn't if you didn't do like a course or something, you can just discover all the features by yourself, but it's just gonna take a little bit of time. So now we just need to wait a couple of seconds. I'll just pause the video. Okay, and now what you're gonna have to do is just to go to admin panel. So I'm gonna click on the admin panel. And now we're just waiting for this. You'll be directed to WordPress admin area. We just need to wait a couple of seconds and we are on the WordPress dashboard. But now here, if I go to backups, now I have this option here. So I can click on restore here, understand, and just click on restore. So that's kind of like the process. You're gonna find I found this to be helpful, and I'm assuming you're gonna find this helpful as well, because things can happen when you work on your website. Maybe even someone to attack, or you deleted a part of your website or important content, or even if someone accidentally deleted some important content or files from your website, maybe another person has access to this and you're working together and they just made a mistake. This feature is very helpful, this backup feature. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and take care.